Hi guys, it's me Rafthelsa Vlogs. I'm here in the location here in Zurich looking for a surplus or second-hand cars here in Switzerland. So you can see this one. This is Mercedes-Benz. This is only about 10,000 and this is 3,600. This is Opel. So you can buy a very affordable price even you are here in Switzerland, but it is a second hand. This one is also 4,500. This is the good model also. And another Mercedes-Benz here, 5,900. So a lot of surplus cars here that is very affordable price. This is Hyundai, and we have also here 3,600 Volvo. This is very affordable price. And also another Mercedes-Benz. Here is also Renault, 7,900. Look, very affordable car and very beautiful brand. So here in Switzerland, you can buy surplus cars, very affordable. So just visit the surplus center or the second-hand cars. So there is, so look at here. So a lot of beautiful cars that you can buy from Switzerland. And look at here, this is 2,300. This one. Look, what is the model? This is a Fiat. It's also a still good looking cars, very beautiful. Look, 2,300 Fiat. So don't worry, if you are here in Switzerland, you can buy a very beautiful cars, very affordable. Just come to the sales center. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.